Good morning. I'll show you how I secured my scaffolding. I just actually figured out I can do tie wraps to the east trough anchors, and that will give it sufficient anchorage to the house. I got the main channel, J channel, installed already. I'm gonna process a bunch of this wood into my, I guess, vertical slots that will connect the vinyl, and I'll get going. But first I gotta go into town and go buy some barbecue meat, and because we're gonna have people over tonight and I'll have a barbecue. And so tomorrow I gotta go to Bryansk. So I think I'm gonna run out of material. That's why I want to do it, because I'm going to the city tomorrow, and if I run out of material, I'll know how much I'm missing. Well, I'm ready to start from the bottom, nick my finger. Unfortunately, I'm missing a small piece of the vinyl J molding. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I guess I have to buy a full length to replace that. Or paint, I don't know. Anyways, I'm not going to get there today, but I'm going to start with the molding here, and I'll do it in slow motion for you. Well, that's what I managed to get done today. That's what I wanted to do, because I understood I was gonna run out of material. So I'll make sure I take a sample in my car, and that we have, I'll make an estimate as to how many panels I'll need to order.